This is what my kids took to school for lunch today. It is simple, healthy, and filling. If you're looking for a simple school lunch idea, then this yam and ugu leaf sauce, it's a just try it. I promise you your kids will love it, just like my kids. So here are the few ingredients I used for this ugu sauce. We have chopped tomatoes, onion, crayfish, blended peppers, and of course the pumpkin leaf, and few other top-ups you will get to see while I'm cooking. So in my pot, I heated up a little oil and then I added chopped onion and gave it a stir. So I added salt and chopped tomatoes. So the next thing I added was roughly blended peppers, which includes red scotch bonnet pepper, tatashe, shombo, and a little bit of atarado abi, what do they call it? So I turned everything together. I gave it a good turn. Then I covered my pot so it can cook for a few minutes. So after cooking for a few minutes, I came back. As you can see, it's boiling. Then I added curry powder. So I adjusted with pepper again because the previous one I added was not enough. So it's time to add the key ingredients to this sauce, which is crayfish. Okay, so I forgot to add the smoked fish that I prepped and put in the freezer last night, but the crayfish did a nice job. The next thing I added just one piece of nut cube, just one, and then I gave it a stir and tested for salt, and it was good. So I covered my pot to allow it to cook. So beside it, my yam was boiling. That is what we are gonna eat this sauce with. So the sauce has cooked completely and I came back later. My pot was even burning up. So it's time to add the pumpkin right now. So after I added the pumpkin, and I remember that I have a little one left in my freezer. So it was a leftover from yesterday when I made soup. So in this house, we don't waste food. So whenever I'm done cooking and there is any leftover vegetable, I quickly pack in a Ziploc bag and put in my freezer. So as you can see here, I brought it out and added it to the pot, and after that I covered it and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. So guys, I usually don't turn my ugu whenever I put it in my food. So what I do is to cover it and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes maximum. Then once I get back, the next thing is just to turn it and put it off immediately. I mean, you don't have to overcook it. So the sauce was ready here and I moved to packing my kids' lunch. Let's go. So I decided to keep this yam and ugu sauce simple because it keeps my kids food for long. The ugu sauce alone is highly rich and healthy and also perfect for children because it's not heavy. For my kids, I like meals that are simple but very healthy and nourishing, especially for school lunch. Yes, there are times they don't finish their food in school and they bring it back but home. Definitely not this one. They all finish their food in school. So that's why I repeat it on weekly basis. So as you can see here, I packed the lunch neatly so it stays fresh till lunchtime. My kids enjoyed this meal so much and it gave me peace of mind knowing fully well that they ate it very, very well. So if you're a parent here, let me know, what do your kids take to school for lunch? You know, most times I lost ideas on what to cook for them. So hit me up in the comment section. Okay, let's chat. So in the lunch pack, I added their water, biscuits, and juice, and then their cutlery pack. I finally got the original one. You know me too. If you've been on my channel for a long time, you will understand why I said I got the original cutlery pack finally. Because I've been lamenting on the one of 1,800 naira that I usually buy. Though I bought this one for 1,500 naira in Onitsha. Welfare Market in Anambra State. But here in Port Harcourt, they're selling it for 4,500. Did you see why I ran away? If you see the long hair these children made this Christmas, they made big girls' hair. And now they can't take it to school that long, so I need to work on it. So the next thing, I had to moisturize their hair because it was rough. I used a good moisturizer though, and then I went ahead to pack their hair. So I didn't want them to take it to school long like that. Their school wouldn't even allow it. So I had to pack it in a way that it will be nice and simple. Don't worry, you're going to see it in a few minutes. Just keep watching. So if you've stayed with me till this moment, that means you're a gift lover. May God bless you. Your own no go spoil. If you've not liked my video, please go ahead and like my video and follow me for more recipes. So don't forget to leave a comment, even if it's a correction. I'm all for it. So for breakfast, they drank tea and bread. So guys, you can see the hair I packed. And when it was time for them to go to school, my little David started crying. He
Baby,
wanted to go
come.
with them.
David, come. Baby, come. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sorry now, come. Oh, sorry. You want to go? Don't worry, September you start with
So
them, okay,
thank you
baby?
everyone for watching. Bye. See
Oh,
you
go for
next
mommy.
time.